In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT error in message stream 2026 full guide. If you've ever watched a response start strong, freeze mid-sentence, and then throw a red error banner, you're seeing a broken connection between your browser and the server. The fastest recovery is to force an interrupt and start fresh. First, hit the stop generating square if it's still visible. That closes the stuck connection. Next, refresh the page with Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac, or pull down to refresh on mobile. When the interface reloads, click Regenerate under the incomplete answer. That combination resets the UI, opens a clean socket, and spins up a fresh processing container to continue safely. Another common cause is prompt overload. Extremely dense requests like multi-tiered instructions bundled with long logs can hit timeouts during streaming. The telltale sign is a perfect start, a 10 to 15 second pause, and then a crash. The fix is to reduce complexity by layering your request. Begin with a small, clear goal, such as outline the structural framework for the task. Once you have the structure, ask for just section 1 to be expanded while referencing the prior output. Continue step by step. This keeps each generation within comfortable time and token limits and dramatically improves stability. Streaming relies on WebSockets, and some browser extensions interfere by scanning or blocking live traffic. If you use ad blockers, tracking shields, or script blockers, run a quick test in a private or incognito window using Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or CMD-Shift-N on Mac. If the stream works there, return to your main browser and whitelist chatgpt.com in your blocker's dashboard. That way, security tools keep doing their job without breaking the real-time text feed. Unstable routing can also cut a stream instantly. VPNs, crowded nodes, or flaky public Wi-Fi can introduce packet loss. Try turning your VPN off temporarily, or switch from a congested public server to a more reliable residential or dedicated node. On mobile, avoid issuing heavy prompts while moving between towers or networks. Stay put and lock onto a single stable connection to prevent midstream handoffs. Finally, isolate the issue. Open a new chat and send a simple hello. If it streams perfectly but your original prompt always fails, the problem lives inside that prompt's length or internal logic. Break it up. If even hello fails, check the service status page at statusopenai.com for any ongoing incidents. Keep your prompts modular and your connection steady, and you'll avoid most stream errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.